Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. Few days back on 9th of August, I shared this idea at the Patreon, and before this, I shared another major idea on 30th of May that the price line has formed a very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern on the weekly time frame, and this was the bullish harmonic shark pattern that I also shared 3 days ago with you in this video. And let me to show you this idea first, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line is doing right now. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's move to the chart, and this was the idea that I shared, that the price action is continuously forming the different harmonic moves. Previously, it formed this shark pattern. And after the formation of this shark, the price line again formed another bullish harmonic shark pattern on the 12-hourly time frame chart. Now, after playing the chart, I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line has turned very strong bullish and even rallied beyond the sell zone. And this move has triggered the bigger move, the bigger charts move that I've shared with you, and that is the bullish cipher pattern. Let me show you that pattern again. And this pattern I shared on 30th of May at the Patreon, and this was a very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern. And the price line, after completion of this cipher, the price line was moved above the buying zone. And I told my members at the Patreon that the Bitcoin may take another dip, and we can have another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And now you can see at that time the price line was moving up. And after playing the chart, we can see that when the Bitcoin again dipped, we again had another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And now after this move, you can see after this bullish harmonic reversal shark pattern, the price line has turned more bullish. And now you can see it is reached very close to this sell zone. The sell zone, as per the Fibonacci sequence I have defined of this bullish cipher, from $1.17 and goes to $1.87. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then at this time, after this move, the price line is trying to break out this 100 simple moving average. You can see previously the price action here broke out this 50 simple moving average, moved down and retested the previous resistance of 50 simple moving average as a support, and now reach to the next resistance of 100 simple moving average. Then we will have the next resistance of 200 simple moving average as well. And now you can see that this 50 simple moving average has started moving towards the upside, and soon we will have a golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages that will produce more powerful rally towards the upside. Like previously, it happened here in the recent past history before this rally. And we also had the formation of an open alligator mouth as well by the simple moving averages. Like we had the smallest time period moving average, the 25 above all, then we had the 50, then 100, and the biggest time period moving average, 200, was below all other simple moving averages, and we had a very nice rally towards the upside. And this is a very powerful bullish signal when we have this such kind of formation that is called the open alligator mouth, and this is by the simple moving averages. And same as like that, we can have such move again here, like 25 has started moving up and it has crossed up the 50 simple moving average. Soon it will cross up the 100 and 200, and then 50 will cross up all the moving averages, and the 100 and then 200 will be moved below all the other moving averages. That will be a real, after that, a real bull run will be started like previously that was started here. And you can see that after the formation of an open alligator mouth, if I place this measurement tool from here to here, we can see we had more than 800% very powerful bullish rally. Now if we take a look at the different major support and resistance levels, because this is the weekly time frame chart, it is possible that on the smaller time frame, like on the hourly or on the daily time frame, there will be more resistance levels and support levels as well. But on the weekly time frame, we have three major support and resistance levels. Like this was the key support at 70 cents, and previously we have seen that it has been breaking as a resistance here and here as well. and now it was working as a support after being rejected. When the price line found a strong resistance here at $2.5, it moved here and formed a double bottom, and now it is moving up after formation of this double bottom. And now the next resistance is at $1.5. Previously here it has been breaking as a nice resistance, and then we will have the final resistance at $2.5. And now we also have a formation of a very big bullish harmonic reversal cipher pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that the price line will start a very massive rally from here, like it has started right now, and it can lead the price line to break out the final resistance of $2.5. Same as like my previous idea that I shared back in 2019, and this is the video for that idea that I shared a year ago, more than a year ago. And this was the idea that I shared on the TradingView in December 2019. And you can see at that time the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and after playing the chart we can see that the price line first started the rally from this buying zone and even rallied beyond this sell zone and moved down again at this approximately at the same level of this buying zone, and started a very huge bullish rally from 17 cents to $2.5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.